I have been waiting for you. Ugh! Die! Why? Ugh. So, you must be pretty advanced on this Nerf War. But too bad, you're gonna get killed. Why would you ever think that? Oh, can't bad guys be bad? Oh yeah, I forgot this moment. Oops. Oh no, I'm out of bullets. Whoa, I have another gun. Oh, come on! 2 guns? You seriously have 2 guns? Oh, 2 guns. Whoa, that was a close one. Shoot, I missed. Guess that was your last chance. And bullet. Prepare to... Oh no! What would I do? Wait. I think I'm safe. Yes. Hands up. Okay, you got me. Hands up or I will shoot. Okay, you're asking for it.